प्रविश्य मम वाचि मां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना सहस्रचरणश्रवणप्रदादीन् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं गुरुं हि स्वयं सत्यः प्रज्ञा भक्तिविनीतयः तिष्ठापिवृताः सत्यं गुरुं प्रणमाम्यहम्. So we completed up to Jadyam Dhiyo Harati verse. The next is Jayanti te Sukrutinaha Rasasiddhah Kavishwaraha Nasti yesham yashahkaye Jara Maranajam Bhayam. See, this verse is primarily in praise of great poets. Poet is someone who is gifted to engage people and take them to great heights in no time. We read a beautiful verse of Kalidasa, you forget everything momentarily and you engage in his own world. So he is praising those are blessed, triumphant to those great poets. Kavishwaraha Jayanti. And there are two adjectives which he uses: Sukrutinaha Rasasiddhaha. Here the rasa means a certain emotion which he is able to invoke in you through the words that he communicates. Rasa siddhaha, they themselves are deeply into that rasa and thereby they are able to make you also sense that particular rasa. So that is why he says rasa siddhaha, they are experts. Kavishwaraha, and this is not something which is easily possible and it is only through certain good deeds that you have performed in the previous janma. Sukrutinaha. So that he is able to enjoy himself and he is also able to inflict that joy in the other person is something which is not possible for every individual. It is only gifted people who can do this, and triumphant are those. So that's what he is saying. Jayanti te Sukrutinaha Rasasiddhah Kavishwaraha. And further he adds, Nasti yesham yashahkaye Jara Maranajam Bhayam. Jara Maranajam Bhayam is the fear born out of aging and death. Jara Maranajam Bhayam Tesham yashahkaye na. See, if at all there is death and aging, it is only for this physical body and not for their body of fame. Yashahkaya. Yashahkaya is something which is permanent. So Kalidasa will be considered as a great poet forever. So it is not that Kalidasa was great at one point of time and he is no more great. So that is what he is saying. Nasti yesham yashahkaye jara maranajam bhayam. In whose body of fame there is no question of death or aging. So let those great poets, okay, Jayanti te Sukrutinaha Rasasiddhah Kavishwaraha Nasti yesham yashahkaye Jara Maranajam Bhayam. So here it is sort of suggestive. So the alankara is, maybe one can call it as Kavyalinga alankara. Nutanartha samarpakaha. You understand? Syat kavyalingam vagartho nutanartha samarpakaha is what we say, the definition of kavyalinga. So when the poet is being described as one who will be living forever through his body of fame, so the meaning that is suggested by this verse is you also should seek for reaching that ability to be a great poet. So then you will be, in fact, Tamil we have this Thiruvalluvar, no? This Thiruvalluvar has a kural. He says, தோன்றின் புகழோடு தோன்றுக கேட்டிருக்கலா Agdilar Thondralin Thondramai Nandru. See, these couplets, Thiruvalluvar is famous. Have you heard? He is a great poet in Tamil. There will be small couplets like dohas in Hindi. He says, Thondrin Puhadu Thondruha. Means, if at all you are born, may you be born with some fame. Means, you will never be born with fame, you gain fame. Thondrin Puhadu Thondruha. Agdilar Thondralin Thondramai Nandru. So, Thondralin Thondramai Nandru. He puts it in a slightly different way. Thondralin Thondramai. Instead of living a life without achieving anything and thereby gaining some fame, it is better that you were never born. Okay, so he is sort of putting it that way. So, fame is something. So, that is what he is trying to convey. So, Nasti Yesham Meshahkaye Jaramaranajam Bhayam. So, this body of fame is something which is eternal, and therefore, the suggested meaning is in one area or other area, in one field or other field, one should try to acquire some fame, and this is something which cannot be achieved without disciplining oneself and training oneself for that. Jayanti te sukrtinaha rasasiddhah kavishvaraah nasti yesham yashahkaye jara maranajam bhayam sunus sacharitaha Sati Priyatama Swami Prasadonmukhaha Snigdham Mitram Avanchakaf Parijanaha Snigdham Mitram Avanchakaf Parijanaha Nishkleshalesham Manaha Kleshalesham Manaha Akaro Ruchiraha Sthirascha Vibhavaha Vidyavadatam Mukham Tushte Vishtapakashtaharini Harau Tushte Vishtapakashtaharini Harau Samprapyate Dehina Samprapyate Dehina Dehina Samprapyate. Dehi refers to a human being. Dehaha asya asti iti dehi. Dehina Samprapyate. A person is blessed with this when Tushte Vishtapa Kashta Harini Harau. Harau Tushte. What does it mean? When the Ishvara is pleased, you will be blessed with these things. See, there are a few things which are listed by him. All these things are possessed by everybody. So, he says Sunuhu, Sati, Swami. So, if you are working somewhere, so the boss is called Swami. If you have a son, he is called Sunuhu. But how are they? See? So, the kind of relation that you have with them, the kind of virtues that you find with them, so is something which will vary from individual to individual. So, there are, I think, Akara, Ujra, Sirasya, Vidya. So, there are 9 things. See, the last quarter of the verse, he says, if Ishvara is blessed with you, pleased with you, then you will be blessed with these things. So, what are the blessings? Sunus Sacharitaha. First thing is, Sunuhu means son. Sacharitaha. Sacharitaha means, so he is someone who is an exemplar in character. Okay. Sacharitaha. Character is extremely good, and therefore, like Rama, everyone praises him. You understand? Sunus Sacharitaha. Sati Priyatama. Priyatama Sati. You have to understand it this way. Priyatama is beloved. Beloved wife. Sati means chaste. See, this is something which is extremely important, which seems to be sort of missing nowadays. Sati Priyatama. In fact, Krishna cautions in the first chapter of Bhagavad Gita. स्त्रीषु दुष्टासु वार्ष्णेय जायते वर्णसंकरः संकरो नरकायैव कुलघ्नानां कुलस्त्रियः, and so on and so forth. He says, if at all the society has to perish itself, then it commences from Strishu Dushtasu, when they turn bad. So then the entire thing will be spoiled. Strishu Dushtasu Varshne Jayate Varna Sankaraha. So that's what he is cautioning, and he is saying Priyatama Sati Swami Prasadonmukhaha. Swami is, so your own boss. Prasadonmukhaha. Unmukhaha means the one who is willing to. Prasadaha is grace. So the one who bosses over you should be willing to gracefully treat you. Okay, he should be coming forward. Prasadonmukhaha means he is pleased and he is willing to grant whatever you want. So this is a gift. Everyone have a boss, but one may not have someone who is really willing to see to it that you prosper. See, Swami Prasadonmukhaha Snigdham Mitram. Mitram is friend. Snigdham, Sneha. You have Sneha is something who will never, sticking kind of a thing, who will never leave you. So normally what happens is, in fact there is a nice shloka, I think somewhere later, maybe in this work itself we have. So he gives a beautiful simile to explain good friendship and bad friendship. This Chayeva Maitri Khalasajjananam. See, Arambhagurvi Kshaini Kramena. Arambhagurvi Kshaini Kramena. This is how it starts. See, the shadow, the length of the shadow, so in the forenoon will keep on decreasing, the afternoon will keep on increasing. So too he says the bad and the good friendship. Arambhagurvi Kshaini Kramena Vridhimupaiti Paschat Dinasya Purvardha Parardha Bhinna Chayeva Maitri Khalasajjananam. See, Khalanam Maitri, so it will be like this. So initially it will be as if it is very snigdha, then it will wither out very soon. So snigdham means who will never ever separate from you. Snigdham Mitram. Then again it is very important. Parijanaha means the person who is serving you. He should be truthful, upright person. Avanchakaha. Avanchakaf parijanaha. See, he should never ever be betraying you. See, at no point of time any organization can have someone who will be able to take care of everything. So obviously the hierarchy will be there, and there the lower people, so who are supposed to analyze and then present the final matter for signature to the other person. So if he is sort of cheating, then he will never have time to look at details. Therefore it is extremely important that the Parijanas are avanchakaha, they don't betray you. Snigdham mitram avanchakaf parijanaha nishklesha lesham manaha. Manaha nishklesha lesham. See, klesha lesha is dukkha. Okay. Lesha is small amount. Nishklesha lesham means without a bit of sorrow. So the mind. Nishklesha lesham manaha. May I be blessed with a mind which never gets into the mode of sorrow. Okay. Nishklesha lesham manaha. Akaro ruchiraha. See, this is something which no one can do anything. Okay. So it is something which is only through the blessing of Ishvara. The kind of looks that you have, the form that you have, short, long, you understand, fair, dark. So these complexions are something which are given by Ishvara to you. Akaro ruchi. Ruchiraha means basically pleasing. See? So this pleasantness so may not have to do with oneself being tall, short, okay, fair, dark, etc. So it has to do something with the mind. So it will get reflected in the face. See? There are some people who may be sort of good looking. The moment they start opening their mouth, it will be extremely difficult to bear. Okay, so those words are the problem. So akaro ruchiraha sthirascha vibhavaha. Vibhavaha sthiraha means the wealth that you possess should be sthira, permanent. So the only wealth that is permanent with you is vidya. Understand that. So we saw all that before. So no other wealth is permanent. So if you have mastered a discipline, so no one can make you forget that. You are a master of that discipline, that is all. If at all he can harm you, he can only harm your physical body and thereby you may be finished, but he cannot snatch away the wealth that you possess. See, sthiraha, it is there forever with you. Sthirascha vibhavaha. At another level, see, you may be possessing some material wealth, but it need not necessarily be permanently available for you. So if Ishvara's blessing is there, then that will be available with you forever throughout your life, so that you need not suffer at any point of time because of scarcity of some entity. Understand? You have wealth, you will always be able to get whatever you want. So sthirascha vibhavaha vidyavadatam mukham. So avadatam means something which glitters. See, so vidya avadatam mukham. So the face is radiating because of the knowledge that this person possesses. So that is what he means. Okay, vidya avadatam mukham. So all these things so will be gained only by the blessing of Parameshwara. Tushte vishtapa kashtaharini. There is a prasa here. See, what is vishtapa? Vishtapa na theriyuma? Vishtapa, trivishtapa anu kuda use pannuva. Shrutam toya kim? Vishtapa shabdaha lokavachakaha. So vishtapa kashtaharini ityukto, it means the one who is responsible for helping people from ailments. Understand? Vishtapa kashtaharini. So one who snatches away the ailments of people. Harau. Harauna is Saptami. So when he is pleased. Okay. Sachi Saptami. Tushte vishtapa kashtaharini harau. Samprapyate dehina. Dehina samprapyate. So you may have son. Enda and the payam porna, you know. See, in Tamil there is a saying. See, Pillai means son, you know. Instead of having this Pillai, I could have had a Tennam Pillai. So Tennam Pillai means coconut tree. See, that would have at least benefited me instead of this fellow. So on the Mari Solva. See, Sunu Satcharitaha. Satcharitaha, if he is there, in fact, then people will say the other way around, you know. Again, in this Kuru, there is a nice Kuru. See, Magan Tandai Katrum Udavi, Ivan Tandai Ennotran Kol Ennum Sol. The son by his character should be pleasing father by making people say that what penance this man did in order to give birth to a son like this. So this can be in both ways. So what penance, when you say, it means enna panni indha payam porandano, suppose you say, there is a problem. So on the other hand, it can be in the right direction also. Sunu satcharitaha. See, satcharitaha is extremely important. See, whether So you excel in a particular discipline or not, okay, a branch of learning, so that is secondary, but you have to be a good citizen. See, sunus saccharitaha sati priyatama. Padingo. Sunus saccharitaha sati priyatama swami prasadonmukhaha snigdham mitram avanchakah parijanaha निष्क्लेशलेशं मनः आकारो रुचिरः स्थिरश्च विभवः विद्यावदातं मुखं तुष्टे विष्टपकष्टहारिणिहरौ सम्प्राप्यते देहिनाम्. The next verse also is a very beautiful verse. प्राणाघातान् निवृत्तिः परधनहरणे संयमः सत्यवाक्यम् परधनहरणे संयमः सत्यवाक्यम् काले शक्त्या प्रदानम् युवतिजनकथा मुखभावः परेषाम् तृष्णास्रोतो विभङ्गः गुरुषु च विनयः सर्वभूतानुकम्पा सामान्यः सर्वशास्त्रेष्वनुपहत विधिः सामान्यः सर्वशास्त्रेष्वनुपहत विधिः श्रेयसामेष पन्थाः. श्रेयसाम येष पन्थाः. It is a very affirmative statement. This is the only way a society can prosper. So only if these things are satisfied can a society prosper. Shreyasam yeshaha pantha. Panthaha means margaha. If at all people choose to live this way, then that society will be a heaven. Otherwise, it will be a hell. Okay. Kadakam. Yesha eva. Eva is something without stating, you will get that. See, there is a sarve savadharanaha. There is a nyaya. Okay. Sarvam vakyam savadharanam. It's a general nyaya. Pranaghatan nivrittihi. The first thing is pranaghatan nivrittihi. Abstinence from hurting others. Pranaghata literally means deadly blow, taking away life. Okay. Pranasya aghataha. See, Tamil undalya. En prana vangadenu. Prana vangradu means, so taking away life essentially is bothering, so hurting. So that is what it amounts to. Telugu unda, you know?
Yes.
What do you say?
Pranam tistaru.
Pranam tistaru. So pranam tistaru means he takes away your life. Life means literally it is not life is being taken away, but your tranquility is taken away by bothering you. See. So what he says is pranaghatan nivritti. This is the first principle that people have to adopt. Okay. Abstinence from hurting others. Pranaghatan nivrittihi. So next quality. Paradhana harane sanyamaha. This is a big problem today. See, the one who is having, so Apple company, so it has some 700 billion. So tomorrow they want to become 1000 billion. You understand? So the fellow who is there, that CEO, so if he is earning 10 billion, he will demand 15 billion. So this is where the problem is. So if they take away, then the issue is the other fellow, so who is there somewhere. So the amount of wealth is so limited. You understand? The resources are limited. So if you snatch away too much, then the other fellow is suffering out of it. Okay, so that is what he means. Paradhana harane sanyamaha. Sanyamaha means restraint. See, one should have a restraint in coveting others' wealth. Understand? So it should not be thought of as really stealing. So you don't necessarily go and steal. So, but if you keep on increasing your wealth, so then somebody else is actually troubled because of that. Okay. Paradhanaharane Sanyamaha. Then Satyavakyam. So being truthful. Okay. In fact, the Satyavakyam is something so which is spoken of very highly. Somewhere I think this Bhagavad Pada quotes, I think in one of the Upanishads, maybe in Chandogya, I don't remember exactly. See, Ashwamedha Sahasradhi Satyameva Bhishyate. Ashwamedha Sahasrancha Satyancha Tulayadhritam. So you think of a balance. So he says, put 1000 Ashwamedas in one balance, put Satya in other balance. So he says, this is much more valuable than the other one. See, Ashwamedha Sahasrancha Satyancha Tulayadhritam Ashwamedha Sahasradhi Satyameva Vihishyate. I think that is what Gandhi repeatedly said. So you, Yama. Ahimsa Satyamasteyam Shaucham Indriya Nigraha. Sanyama Satyavakyam Kale Shaktya Pradhanam. This is again a very important quality which one has to cultivate. There are two aspects in it. Pradhanam is basically sharing. So sharing what you possess. So sharing has to be done at the right moment and also in a measure, so which is to be decided by you. You understand? Suppose this fellow is to give some contribution towards something. So if he is an auto wala who is just earning some 15,000, so he may be giving 100 rupees. So if you are earning 15 lakhs, so he has given 100 rupees, I will also give 100 rupees. You understand? So that is not the case. Shaktya Pradhanam means, so depending upon your earning, okay, earning capacity. Kale Shaktya Pradhanam. Kale Pradhanam, Shaktya Pradhanam. The other thing is, I mean, this need not necessarily be considered with reference to sharing this material wealth. So it can be even affection. Suppose somebody is really suffering, so he is hospitalized. So then timely help is essential. So you have to go there, utter a few words. That is also something. Kale Pradhanam Shaktya Pradhanam. Kale Shaktya Pradhanam. Yah Kale Priyani Vaktum Najanati. See, Ko Mukaha. See, the question is, who is a dumb fellow? The one who is not able to say pleasing words at the right moment. Yah Kale Priyani Vaktum Najanati. This fellow is suffering. Oh, I don't know, I have invested in that bank. I don't know what may happen. I don't know what may happen. If this fellow is really worrying, then you should say, no, don't worry, you will get. See, if you also say, no, that company also went in loss. See, then you will be adding to the worry of that fellow. You understand? Kale Priyani Vaktum. So if you are suffering from fever, Kavala Padadingo, so tomorrow you will become all right. You should say that. Kale Shaktya Pradhanam. Then the other thing is much more difficult for people. Yuvati Janakatha Mukabhava Paresham. Particularly he is saying, this should be understood in a more general sense. What he is saying is Mukabhava. Just now we talked about dumbness. So when should you adopt dumbness? Understand? You should adopt dumbness. So on certain things. So one of the things that he says is Yuvati Janakatha. See, in order to gossiping, in gossiping about the behavior of some young women, Yuvati Janakatha, okay, Muka Bhavaha, you have to be dumb. So you should not unnecessarily keep on, English ascribing is the word. युवति जनकथा मूकभावः परेषाम् तृष्णास्रोतो विभंगः. That is another thing. So what you have to understand is here, so this is not necessarily confined to this. So it is something which is applicable to doshas which you find in others. So this Yuvati Janakatha is basically doshas. So when it comes to describing the doshas of the others, you better adopt dumbness. Trishna sroto vibhangaha. Trishnayaha srotaha. Srotaha na flow nartham. You understand? Trishnayaha srotaha bhangaha. You should actually obstruct the flow of greed. Trishna sroto vibhangaha. Sravati na flows nartham. Srotaha. Nadyaha srotaha. Gurushu cha vinayaha. Gurushu cha vinayaha. See, so this is again a very important thing. Okay. So vinayaha is humbleness. Gurushu, elderly people, your teachers. Okay. Gurushu cha vinayaha. This is a very important thing. Okay. So today I'll tell you. So I went to this institute faculty meeting. So this institute faculty meeting, so before the meeting started, so there was a faculty. So the faculty, after a long time we meet. So she was actually, so in the traditional style, sari. So I was very happy. So I said, so you should keep up this style. I said, yeah, I also would like to do. All that she said. Then I asked, how is your daughter? Okay. So then she said for 5 minutes, so you don't know today's children. So they never ever respect elders. So I don't know how to bring in that. So the age in which we lived is very different from the age in which they are living. So I asked her to go to some dance class. The teacher apparently said, see, she made some remark. See, you did not understand even this. Okay. So this girl who is hardly 10 years old, okay, she said, mother, I am not going to class anymore. Why? The teacher made unnecessary remarks about the ability of me to grasp something. Understand? She refuses to go, she said. She does not know how to appreciate. So she is calling me dullard. So I am not going. So then she tried to say, no, this is all for your good. I mean, you should be. No, nothing doing, I am not going. She was saying all this. And some other thing also, she said, advised something, and said, I am 46 years old, so you have to understand, so I am more experienced in this. No, the age doesn't matter. See, Guru Shuja Vinayaha, completely gone. So Guru Shu Vinayaha, see, we to some extent, I think in Veda Pathshalas, little bit is there. But here, I mean, this fellow will sit there, the teacher will sit here. All that is there. What to call me? Guru Shucha Vinayaha. And no, basically listening to elders. See, that is what he means. Guru Shucha, Guru in general. Vinayaha. See. See. Another? Kim Visham Nana Kevi. Kim Visham Avadhirana Gurushu. See, in fact, Adi Shankara says, Kim Visham, what is poisonous? See, our disrespect for elderly people. Okay. Avadhirana Gurushu. Yeah, there is a problem. So I think, see, this is extremely important to read some of these passages which are available. See, in Kadambari, so in fact, he advises, there is something called Shukanashopadesha. Okay. So this is meant primarily for people who are young, and so those who are going to take up the kingdom. See, passage after passage, beautiful messages. See, there will be a certain tendency, see, that stage of life and there one has to be extremely cautious. There will be a certain tendency, see, which I mean, those who have sort of passed through that, they can easily realize. So there is a problem, and therefore you have to be all the more careful. See? And when you sort of train them quite young, then during that stage, I think it will not be so wild. The behavior will not be so wild. So if you let them free, then it will be all the more wild, and it will be really a calamity. Guru Shuja. Is it? Banavatta. See, it is a beautiful. The prose means, I mean, that is class 1, number 1. It is a saying, Kadambari rasajnanam aharopi narochate. So those who have the ability to enjoy Kadambari, so whatever be the divine food that you offer them, so that will not be tasty for them. So this will be tastier. Aharopi, they do not want to consume anything rather than consuming that, the joy derived out of it. So Shlesha.
So what is the meaning of Kadambari means?
Kadambari, I do not know whether there is any it is derivable word. It is just a name.
Just
flower fruit and
Is it?
Is it name of flower?
I don't know whether there is any such meaning. Kadambari is the name that he has given. Okay, so maybe there may be some name. One has to check. I am not sure.
Dictionary song Kadambari Priyai Namaste.
It may be a name of a flower also. Possible. Name of it's quite possible. Tree.
It have derived from the word Kadamba.
That is a guess. I don't know. I didn't want to. Guru Shucha Vinayaha. Then finally he says Sarva Bhuta Anukampa. So this is something which he is placing as climax. See, Sarva Bhuteshu Anukampa. It is extremely difficult. So the other things are all, to some extent, you can acquire. See, so being compassionate to all beings. Sarva Bhuta Anukampa. Anukampa na compassion artham. Sarva Bhuta Anukampa Samanya Sarva Shastreshu Anupahata Vidhi. See, there are certain do's and don'ts which will be stated in different shastras in different contexts. But the things that I have listed now is something which is common across the board. Okay? Sarva Shastreshu Anupahata Vidhi and Shreyasam Yesha Panthaha. See, idhirende kadaikum. Shreyasam Panthaha, if he says, Yesha means this is the only. You understand? அதுதான் கேட்கணும் சார். அப்படி அதை கேட்கணும். அப்படி சொன்னால் கூட போகிறோம். தான்கிறது கிடைக்கும். யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? அதை கேட்கணும் அப்படின்னா ஃப்ரம் தட் யூ ஆக்சுவலி கன்வே that this is the thing that has to be. Padingo.
Common to all shastras.
Anupahata vidhi. So this is something, all these things which have been stated is something which is acceptable to all shastras. Upahata, anupahata means this is negated. So there may be certain things which have to be done by certain individuals in certain point of time. And this is something which should not be done, okay, by the other person in some other context. There is nothing like that here. Upahata vidhi, anupahata vidhi. Padingo. Pranaghatan nivrittihi paradhanaharane sanyamas satyavakyam kale shaktya pradanam yuvati janakatha mukabhavah paresham Krishna sroto vibhangaha Gurushuja Vinayaha Sarvabhutanukampa Samanya Sarvashastreshu Anupahata Vidhi Shreyasam Esha Panthaha. Om Sarve Pasakinas Santu Sarve Santaniramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Vashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhavet. ॐ